Hi everyone, welcome back to Speaking Easy English. Today we will talk about at the supermarket. Ask where items are, check prices, and pay.
Hey everyone, I am Jack, and I am ready to shop and talk and laugh a little with you.
Perfect, Jack. Let us make shopping simple and fun for all learners.
I love this topic because shopping is a daily life skill, and it is full of small conversations that help you practice English.
First, we start with simple phrases to ask where things are in the store. And then we practice how to ask about prices and how to pay.
I will share some of my funny stories, and Emma will teach small words when you need a little help.
Okay. When you enter a supermarket, you can start with a polite line, for example, "Excuse me, where can I find the milk?"
Excuse me, where can I find the milk? I say that when I am looking for breakfast items.
Good. Another polite option is, "Could you tell me where the bread is?"
Could you tell me where the bread is? I remember the first time I used that phrase, the clerk walked me to the exact place.
The word clerk means the person who works at the store counter or helps customers.
That was helpful, Emma. Thank you for the little definition.
You're welcome. Now we do a few practice lines. Repeat after us and pause to say the line. "Excuse me, where can I find the eggs?"
Excuse me, where can I find the eggs?
Nice. You can say, "I'm looking for the pasta," if you want to say you are searching.
I am looking for the pasta. I say that when I need dinner ideas.
The word pasta means noodles like spaghetti or penne made from wheat.
I learned that in Italy, but now I buy it in the supermarket.
Good memory, Jack. Now another phrase is, "Do you have any fresh tomatoes?"
Do you have any fresh tomatoes? I use fresh when I mean not frozen and not canned.
The word fresh means recently harvested or not preserved, and it usually refers to fruits and vegetables.
That is a helpful explanation, Emma. Thank you.
Now, sometimes items are on different shelves and the store has aisles. You can ask, "Which aisle is the cereal on?" Now, sometimes the shelf price and the scan price are different. You can say, "I think there is a mistake with the price."
I think there is a mistake with the price. I use that when the register shows a higher number than on the shelf tag.
If the cashier says, "Sorry," we can ask politely, "Could you check that again?" Or, "Could you ask a manager?"
Could you check that again? I say that calmly, not loudly, because tone matters.
Yes, tone means the way you say words, and it changes the meaning.
That is a small word, but very important, Emma.
Glad you noticed. Now paying. When you are at the cashier, you can start with a greeting like, "Hi, how are you?"
Hi, how are you? I like to say that because it makes the exchange friendly.
The cashier may ask, "Would you like a bag?" You can say, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you, I have my own bag."
Yes, please. No, thank you, I have my own bag. I bring a cloth bag to help the environment.
The word environment means the natural world like air, water, and trees.
I bring bags because I care, and it helps reduce plastic waste.
One more paying phrase. If you use a card, say, "I will pay by card," or "I will pay with cash."
I will pay by card. I will pay with cash. I sometimes carry both just in case.
If you need a receipt, say, "Could I have a receipt, please?" Receipt is the small paper that shows your purchase.
Could I have a receipt, please? I keep receipts for returns or to check my budget.
Budget means the money you plan to spend.
Budgets can be hard, but they help you save for things you want.
Now practice a long checkout dialogue with us. Repeat each line and imagine you are at the cashier. "Hi, how are you?"
I am good, thank you.
"Would you like a bag?"
No, thank you. I have my own bag.
That will be $25.30.
I will pay by card.
Please insert or tap your card.
I am tapping my card now.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Great practice. That felt real and natural.
I like when we practice full dialogues because it builds confidence.
Me too. Remember to speak slowly at first, and then you can speed up.
My first week in the city, I spoke slowly at the supermarket, and people smiled and listened.
That is the best response. Smile and patience make communication work.
One more practice block for listeners, this time with common questions you can ask.
Excuse me, do you have gluten-free bread?
Excuse me, do you have decaf coffee?
Excuse me, where are the cleaning supplies?
Excuse me, can I return this item?
Very good. Those lines are practical when shopping for special items.
I once returned a sweater because it was too small and the clerk was very kind.
That is nice to hear. Returns can be easy when you are polite and have the receipt.
Sometimes stores ask for ID when you return items, so keep your ID handy.
Safety tip, keep your wallet or purse zipped and close to your body while shopping.
Also, watch your cart and small children, and do not leave your bag on top of the cart when you step away.
These are small safety phrases and actions that keep shopping calm and safe.
Let me share a longer supermarket memory. One holiday, I went shopping with my cousin, and we bought many gifts and food.
That sounds fun. What happened next, Jack?
We forgot the napkins, and we returned to the same aisle 3 times, and we laughed a lot.
That is a sweet memory. Shopping with family makes small errors into happy stories.
Yes, I still smile when I see napkins now.
Now a few more practice rhymes for pronunciation and rhythm. Repeat each with us and pause to say it out loud. Could you tell me where the frozen vegetables are?
Could you tell me where the frozen vegetables are?
Do you have any lactose-free milk?
Do you have any lactose-free milk?
Can you show me where the cleaning products are?
Can you show me where the cleaning products are?
Excellent work. You are doing so well.
If you are enjoying the lesson, please like this video and subscribe to Speak Easy English. We appreciate your support.
Yes, and share this episode with friends who want to practice real-life English, and leave a comment about your supermarket stories.
I will confirm, I will read the comments whenever I can, and I agree that your stories help us learn.
Thank you, Jack. That is great. Now, another quick tip. When you are not sure about a product, ask, could you recommend something similar to this?
Could you recommend something similar to this? I used that when I needed a cheap option.
The word recommend means to suggest something as a good choice.
Recommendations can be better than searching alone.
Now, we will add useful language for special situations. If the item is heavy, say, do you have someone who can help me to my car?
Do you have someone who can help me to my car? I used that once when I bought a big box and the staff helped me carry it.
If the store is crowded and you need more room, say, excuse me, I need more room to pass through.
Excuse me, I need more room to pass through. That line helps with crowded aisles.
Practice some polite replies to a clerk. If they ask, do you need help? You can say, yes, please, I need help with this item.
Yes, please, I need help with this item. I like asking for help. It saves time.
Now let us do a long practice dialogue that includes asking, checking price, and paying. Excuse me, could you tell me where the canned tomatoes are?
They are in aisle 4, next to the soups.
Thank you. Is the large can on sale today?
Yes, it is 2 for $5. A good price.
Great. I will take 2. Do you have a smaller size too?
We have medium cans on the lower shelf. Would you like me to get them?
Yes, please. That is helpful. Thank you.
You are welcome. Enjoy your cooking.
At the cashier, hello, I would like to pay. Can I get a bag, please?
Sure. Would you like paper or plastic?
Paper, please. I will pay by card.
Please tap your card and the machine will print a receipt.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy your meal.
That full dialogue shows many steps and polite language for smooth shopping.
It feels practical and friendly, and you can imagine the scene as you say the lines.
Let us finish with a final practice set of lines that you can use next time you shop. Excuse me, where can I find the diapers?
Excuse me, where can I find the diapers?
How much is this package of meat?
How much is this package of meat?
Can you put it on hold for me? I will return in 10 minutes.
Can you put it on hold for me? I will return in 10 minutes.
I will come back with my friend. She will pay for this item.
I will come back with my friend. She will pay for this item.
Perfect. You are ready for many supermarket moments.
Please remember to like the video and subscribe to Speak Easy English if you found this lesson useful.
And write in the comments what the supermarket is like where you live. Is it big, small, busy, or quiet? And tell us one phrase you will try next time you shop.
I will read some comments and maybe share them in a future episode.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today. Keep using these lines when you shop and you will get better each time.
Keep practicing and have fun while learning.
Bye everyone. See you next time.
Bye everyone. Take care.